klink ordentlik soos 'n Subaru dan. Maak dit positief. Good morning, all my very unique buddies and friends. Hope you guys are well. Thank you for joining me for another video. I hope you guys like the Ford Figo reveal video of all the mods. Let me know in the comments down below what's your favorite new mod that's on the car. Also support Deadly Customs, guys. Does some crazy work. Once again, I really appreciate it. All the things that you've done though, I appreciate it, bro. Right now I'm heading through to Optimus Racing to go check out some insane Subarus. So yeah, let's go. Okay, definitely not the road to come and drive with my car. Coilovers. Do you see what we have to deal with in South Africa? Come on, government, fix the damn roads, man. Man's car is getting fucked up. Oh, I see Subies. Your single exit. Cortina. This is where the action's happening. Oh, a couple of 6 series there. Botswana, you guys know Botswana struggles. Hello. Yo. Subies wherever you look, that's dope. Really nice. I can, this one's dope, yeah.
As gechanged met een grotere injectors en sy het nou 1700.
Yo. Je hebt nooit meer gezegd hoeveel kracht hij maakt op die video.
Ons weet nog niet.
Okay, so that, yeah, that says it all, but as a class on this motor is just insane.
Live boost is around 280 kilowatts. So with the new clutch now, because this is the clutch here.
Let's see.
As you can see, it was not happy.
Yeah, this clutch, I mean,
it was not happy with it all.
Yo, holy shit. It's not a Subie if it doesn't have a cannon, so we got to do the first test on this GF little Subie. Just see over here. Yeah, she's been used, guys. She's been used. Holy fucking shit. That is like a 160 volt fucking exhaust tip. Having such a great time with Marius here at Optimus Racing. He's just told me about a whole bunch of the projects that are actually gonna start happening. Well, he's doing like 2 400 kilowatt builds. His car's close to 400 kilowatts. He says on low boost it's like
Live boost it's around 280 kilowatts.
Absolutely insane. And then he's got a whole bunch of projects that he's actually starting with. Definitely the Subaru guy in town to come to. Superior quality work. He's actually, this blue Subie behind me is a disabled friend of his, but it's from Botswana, so they're going to do a full drivetrain swap. Gonna be a build 2 liter. Get yourself an Optimus Racing heat shield over there. The cover for the belt cover.
It's called the alternator cover.
Alternator cover.
Yeah.
Okay. Can they contact you on Facebook
Yeah,
for this?
we do kits like this. It's called a dress-up kit. We do kits for 01 to 07. We're still busy with the newer ones. We've also got dress-up kits, complete dress-up kits for the 2014 upwards STIs.
Okay, sick. The difference between the 2 litre and the 2.5 is it torque or?
Just torque is the main factor on the displacement between the two motors.
Okay.
And also your 2 litre is a slightly higher revving motor.
Is it?
Than the 2.5, yes.
Without getting rod knocked. I always thought of, if I see a Subie at a beat or something, I always say it's not a Subie if it doesn't have a cannon.
Yeah, no, true.
So
true.
hopefully that motor is in now. 2 hours of just buttoning up all the piping. Okay guys, what an awesome day hanging out with Marius and Optimus Racing. Couple of sick builds they have going on. Definitely can't wait. I think I'm gonna try get you on Tuesday or so I can come check out the white Subie, the 400 kilowatt one that they are busy with. Hopefully we can check that out. Yeah, thank you guys for joining for another video. Appreciate it so much, guys. Hope you guys liked the Ford Figo video with the mod reveal. Yeah, crazy things. Can't wait for what the rest of the year is going to hold in. It's just going to be wild. But thank you to everyone that's been supporting. Thank you to everyone that's been subscribed since the start, the new subscribers as well. Thank you guys for joining. Check this out. You can get your Chasing Sunsets Yunek shirts via Instagram. Guys, I'm busy working on the website, so hopefully the website will be up within the next week or two so that you guys can order straight from the website. But thank you guys for supporting so far. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below, keep the positive vibes flowing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.
Man.